will keep on saying this until the day Jesus decides to take me away, or God decides to end me. Dreadlocks, crotching. If you start, come a bit closer. If you start with dreadlocks, crotching with a crochet needle, finish the whole locks with dreadlocks, crotching and crochet needle. Do not mix interlocking and dreadlocks, crotching, because when you interlock dreads that are like this, it shortens the growth and it stands like you can check the difference in the growth here. It's like, because the last person interlocked, and these are no longer healthy dreadlocks anymore. So from here to here, we'll try to fix this. And so this separation, this is all a result of interlocking. But if you check correctly from here to here, this is crotching. So if you start with crotching, finish with crotching. Don't mix the two, right? I specialize in dreadlocks, crotching the original Jamaican standard way. Shout outs to Chris Dread. Chris is the best teacher for dreadlocks. So learn from the best, come from the best. Cheap is very expensive, so go for cheap hairstylist, yes, but just take in mind that maybe you're destroying your own hair somewhere. I'm not shaming anyone, but I'm just saying if you can learn and do better, do better. Come for master classes, let me show you how to do it nicely. Alright, this is the final finished product. Bro, you better get 10 girls with this one, bro.